So I would like to show you how to log in your student to Istation. Istation is a tool that we use in our classroom for extra reinforcement as well as assessment. The teachers can go in and see how much time the child has spent on Istation as well as certain areas that they might need improvement and skills that we can focus in on to help their learning. So in order to get onto Istation, if you're using a AISD computer or iPad, you will not have to log in as far as, you will have to log in, but you won't have to download the Istation app. But if you're using your own personal computer, then you're going to need to download the Istation app, and it will show you the steps on the screen in a few minutes. I'm also going to be sending out an email showing step by step what you need to do in order to log your child into Istation. We hope that your child will do Istation 2 to 3 times a week. 10 to 15 minutes each would be great. So first you'll need to go to the Arlington ISD website, click on Students, and then go down to their Rapid Identity Login. Click Login, and there we go. And then you will need to go to find the Istation icon, or app rather. And Istation is right here. Now, I have not downloaded it on my computer yet, so you're going to see the information where I need to download. And it'll come to this page right here, and it will say download Istation. If you are using an AISD computer or iPad, you don't need to do this step. Your Istation should pop up automatically. If you are using your own, you'll need to download it and then go back in through Rapid IDE. So it'll bring you to this page, and you just need to click on whichever device you're going to be using. Mine is Chrome, so I will click on the Chrome, and then it will give you directions on what to do as far as downloading. Now when it gets to this screen here, it's going to ask you for your school domain. When you click on it, it should pop up with the correct domain. If it doesn't pop up, the domain is little ES, and that is for Little Elementary School. But when you do, since you're signed in through Rapid ID, it should, when you click on your domain, it should pop up and be ready for you. But again, if it's not, it's little ES, and all of that is lowercase. And then you'll click on OK, and at that point, it should be downloaded to your computer. You might need to go back in and log in again through Rapid ID. If you don't, it should pop up immediately into the Istation app for your child, and then we'll go into the reading section. I'll have another video on that as soon as we get this downloaded.